When we do data statistics, we can use the count function to count the numbers of cells containing values. Take this table as an example. We need to count the number of cities participating in donations. Click cell E6 and click Insert Function to find the count function. Click the OK button. Now a dialog box will pop up. Value 1 and value 2 refer to the cell range to be statistically calculated. Only the numeric parameters are counted in this part of the range, that is to say, the number of cells with numerical values. Blank cells will not be counted. Click Value 1 and select the data in the Amount column. We can quickly get the number of cells with a donation amount of 57, which means that the number of cities participating in the donation is 57. In addition, if we want to count text cells or cells containing other types of information, we can also use the counta function. If we want to count the cells that meet a certain criterion, we can use the countif function or the countifs function. For further information on these functions, you are welcome to join our WPS Academy to learn more.